Tilther is the tool that always needed to happen. We don't know how we would continue to run the farm as efficiently as we need to run it. One pass down, one pass back. Lower the handlebars and raise the front of it, you can actually only go an inch. It's a wonderfully manipulable tool like that. It has no fumes, means you can use it in greenhouses and areas where you don't want to be breathing carbon monoxide. When this tool was introduced, it was a game changer for small-scale producers. It did what they had always needed to have done, but there was no easy, simple tool to do it that wasn't backbreaking. We have used it since the day I got the first one.